topic, and the next topic is why cases against, like, crime cases against women are increasing day by day. You have to discuss about the women empowerment. Okay, main the point is, but here we'll discuss about the crime happening against women. So anyone can start from anywhere.
As we know that we are living in 21st century, we always talk about the women empowerment. We talk about the women empowerment. Women empowerment means to empower the woman and to give equality to the woman. And in present time, it is not happening. We can easily see that some women are facing the problem, and
as we know that our government doing a lot of work to improve the condition of our India women of India. The government launched the helpline number for the women said 1092, and that's many of the schemes are just exist in our India to help the women. Many of the articles to helping the women, but it is really happening not because I think the citizen also we can say that the men are not responsible to take care of all the women. Something here is a loopholes. That's the reason.
Yes, I agree with my brother. We are living in 21st century. Still, the condition of women in our country is not good. Many crime cases and are increasing day by day towards the women. And we talk about the women empowerment, but it's our responsibility to give equality to the all women in our society and give respect also. And our government also doing a lot for the women.
Yeah, I agree with you. We can easily say that our government started Beti Bachao Beti Abhiyan to improve the condition of women. It will help for the woman to.
As we know, it's been almost more than 70 years to the freedom, but still the condition of women is not good as it should be. They are discriminated everywhere, like in office, and they are not paid equal salary as the men are. So these things should be decreased.
In my opinion, inequality is the main social issue of the society, in which women are getting hurt in the comparison of men. So I think we should give equal authority to men and women because they are not less powerful in comparison of men. They are doing what in every area, like hospitals areas and politics area and in sports area. There are many examples in front of us which we can see that women are doing a lot of work. So I think there is a proper awareness among the women that women are considered that they are only made for to cook food and nurture their child. I think we should make awareness among the women that they are also can do what men are doing.
In my opinion, the condition of the women improving day by day. We can see the every period. We can see the lots of women who give their best and give the positive result. And but in the present time, the crime increased day by day because we are not men are not careful about their responsibility.
Our government doing many kinds of work. Our government is providing 33% reservation to improve the condition of the woman. And there are some, and we can easily see that women empowerment is not securing properly due to some conservative mind ideas.
I think biggest reason of women violence is education. If a person in lack of education, many wrong personality and things, women are slave of men.
Yes, I am agree with your point. I am agree with your point. Is many times we saw that many women are facing silently bearing harassment of their life partner due to legal awareness and lack of education. So, in my opinion, if women are educated, then women provide their education of their children because initial teacher of a child is their mom.
And in my opinion, education is the best weapon that we can destroy anything. And in the present time, education system are totally depend upon a bouquet system. It is not a social system. If we are responsibility like these activities, then the harassment, the aggression of women decrease day by day.
Once Swami Vivekananda has said the progress of a nation is not possible if the condition of women is not good. We should respect women and we should expect step against this. That will help to the.
But nowadays we can say that day by day situation is increasing
in good terms, because yesterday we saw that five captain of Air India makes record to one single flight. They crossed North Pole.
Yeah, there are many types of initiative which has been taken by our government. As my friend said, Beti Bachao Beti Padhao and Swamila Yojana. It's all mean that government wants to make equal both of them, men and women. But it's our responsibility also that we should give both them equality. We should not getting back the women. They are also powerful like us.
Now the now our country is changing day by day, and the condition of women is increasing in our society, and they will have a equal right in every sector, like defense sector or sports sector. In every field, women are going with the men.
Yeah, friend,
Yes,
I
I
agree with
agree
you.
with you.
Women empowerment is good for us, but sometimes women use their laws badly to
Our and we cannot
Our
forget the
government has taken many decisions for reducing women empowerment as Beti Bachao Beti Padhao and Mahila Samriddhi Yojana. So it's reducing women empowerment, and we all know that women are well performing in education, medical sector, and sport. As PV Sindhu and PV Sindhu are well performing in badminton, and Mary Kom are well performing in boxing.
At last, I would like to get conclusion. I want your suggestion. How can we improve more the women's condition? Now, this is only I want a conclusion of yours. Start one by one.
At last, I would like to say that if we really want to improve the condition of the women in our India, we should be the aware of the backward area. We are think that if cities, when the girl is living in the city, urban area, they are improving their condition. But if we go through the outside and a backward area, there is somewhere is a loopholes and there is a somewhere is not increasing the condition of the girl. I think that when the awareness will increase in the backward area, I think girl will be more increased.
In my opinion, if we want to improve the condition of women, our government and our constitution give the all power, and it is our time to give the and leave the our evil social evil. And if we are live like this social evil, then we can see every area that has women power.
If we really empower the women, we should change our mentality, and we give the equal rights for the women. And the this is the thing. This thing has been changed, that women is only for the domestic work, and not for in every sector. That is bad in our society, and we should educate women, because they know their rights, and they live their life according to their means.
Government is doing a lot, and we should also step against these type of evils like dowry and child infanticide. These type of evil are the tracker tremor for the
If you want to increase the condition of women empowerment, so first of all we should educate our women, and we should change our personal mentality for the women, and we should need to work to change society's mentality.
our government is doing a lot, and we should also step against these type of evil like dowry, and we should start respecting women. This is our
at conclusion, I will say that our government is doing many lots of work to improve the condition of women. We should also change our conservative mentality, and we should educate the women that they can easily know their rights. And
at conclusion, I would say that if we want to really improve the condition of women, first we should work on education system, and second we should give proper reservation in the parliament, and third every parent should think about that boy and girl is equal.
I think if we really want to encourage the women, we should aware them that they are as powerful as men, and we should educate them, and we should also change our conservative mentality.